There's a unique joy in growing your own food, and raspberries are a true highlight. Nothing compares to picking a sun-warmed berry straight from the cane, sweet, sharp, and bursting with summer. The process is as rewarding as the harvest, preparing soil, planting, nurturing, and watching nature's transformation. Gardening teaches patience and offers a peaceful escape from daily life. Contrary to popular belief, raspberries aren't just for experts. Anyone with a patch of ground and enthusiasm can succeed. Once established, raspberries are generous, producing fruit for years. This guide will show you how to start raspberries from seed, a patient path, but deeply rewarding and cost-effective. Let's get our hands dirty and begin the journey to a bountiful raspberry harvest. Growing raspberries from seed is a bold, satisfying choice in a world of shortcuts. While it might seem easier to buy established plants, there's something uniquely rewarding about starting from scratch. You're not just growing fruit, you're cultivating patience, resilience, and a deeper understanding of nature's rhythms. While buying canes is quick, seeds offer unmatched value. A single packet can yield dozens of plants for less than the price of one. Imagine transforming a handful of seeds into a thriving berry patch, all for just a few dollars. This makes seeds the perfect option for gardeners who want to maximize their investment and fill their gardens with abundance. If you're filling a large space or gardening on a budget, seeds are the way to go. They allow you to dream big, planning out rows of berries without worrying about the cost adding up. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a few raised beds, seeds make it possible to grow more for less. Starting from seed also unlocks a world of variety: heirlooms, golden, black, and climate-adapted types you won't find at the garden center. With seeds, you can explore rare and unusual varieties, each with their own unique flavors, colors, and growth habits. This opens up endless possibilities for experimentation and discovery in your garden. You can experiment and discover unique flavors that suit your garden and taste. Maybe you'll find a variety that thrives in your local climate, or one that produces berries with a flavor you've never experienced before. The adventure of growing from seed is as much about the journey as the destination. Growing from seed requires patience. You'll wait a year or two for a real harvest. But this waiting period is a chance to learn and grow alongside your plants. You'll witness every stage of development, from the first tiny sprout to the moment your canes are heavy with fruit. But this slow process forges a deeper connection with your plants. Each day spent nurturing seedlings, watering, and watching them grow builds anticipation and pride. You become invested in their success, and the garden becomes a reflection of your care and dedication. You become a true custodian, nurturing life from the very beginning. There's a special satisfaction in knowing you guided your raspberries from seed to harvest, overcoming challenges and celebrating milestones along the way. Watching the first seedling emerge is pure magic. That tiny green shoot is a promise of what's to come, a symbol of hope, growth, and the rewards of patience. The eventual harvest tastes all the sweeter for the wait. Each berry is a testament to your effort, and the flavors are richer when you know the story behind every plant. Seeds make raspberry growing accessible, affordable, and personal. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, starting from seed invites you to be creative and hands-on, making the process truly your own. It's a journey worth taking. From the first seed to the final harvest, you'll gain skills, memories, and a harvest that's uniquely yours. Let's see how to pick the perfect variety for your garden. Choosing the right variety is crucial. Success depends on matching the plant to your climate. In cooler climates, try Caroline or Autumn Bliss, reliable, disease-resistant, and heavy-yielding. For hot regions, Dorman Red thrives in southern heat, while Mysore excels in tropical humidity. Each variety has unique strengths, so research what suits your location best. Don't just go by catalog photos, find what will truly thrive in your garden. The right choice means years of abundant, delicious fruit. Now let's start your raspberry journey from seed. The journey to a thriving raspberry patch begins long before the first leaves unfurl outdoors. It starts quietly, indoors, in the heart of winter or the earliest days of spring. Begin by starting your seeds indoors, about 8 to 10 weeks before your region's last expected frost date. This early start gives your raspberry plants the best possible chance to grow strong and healthy before they face the challenges of the outside world. Choose seed trays or small pots and fill them with a high-quality, seed-starting compost. Modular trays are especially helpful, as they make it much easier to transplant delicate seedlings later on without disturbing their roots. The right containers and compost set the stage for healthy growth from the very beginning. Good drainage is essential. Raspberry seeds dislike soggy conditions. Fill your containers with a light, airy compost that allows water to drain freely while still holding enough moisture for the seeds to germinate. Take a moment to gently press the compost down, but don't compact it too much. Before sowing, water the compost thoroughly. This step is important because it ensures the compost is evenly moist, and it helps prevent your tiny seeds from being washed away when you water them later. Think of it as preparing a welcoming bed for your seeds. Now, carefully place 1 or 2 tiny seeds in each cell or pot. Raspberry seeds are small, so handle them gently. Cover them with just a thin layer of compost or vermiculite, no more than a few millimeters. This light covering allows the seeds to access the light and warmth they need to sprout. Mist the surface gently with water to settle the seeds in place. Don't forget to label your trays with the plant variety and the date you sowed them. This simple step will help you keep track of your seedlings as they grow and make it easier to plan your garden later. Place your trays in a warm, bright spot, ideally somewhere that stays between 20 and 23 degrees Celsius. A sunny windowsill or undergrow lights works well. Consistent warmth and light are key to encouraging strong, healthy germination. Check the compost regularly to make sure it stays moist, but not soggy. If it dries out, gently mist it with water. If it's too wet, allow it to dry a little before watering again. Striking this balance is crucial for successful germination. Germination can be a slow process, especially for raspberries. Some seeds may sprout in just a few weeks, while others might take much longer. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Patience is a gardener's greatest ally. Waiting for those first signs of life can feel endless, but remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Trust the process and give your seeds the time they need. When you finally spot the first green shoots breaking through the compost, it's a moment of quiet triumph. These tiny seedlings are the first visible sign that your journey has truly begun. In the next chapter, we'll focus on nurturing these fragile sprouts, helping them grow into sturdy young plants ready for the great outdoors. Your raspberry adventure is just beginning. When seedlings show true leaves, thin to the strongest one per cell, give them plenty of light, turn pots regularly, or use a grow light if needed. If seedlings get leggy, they need more light. Once 5 to 7 centimeter tall with several true leaves, pot them up into larger containers. Handle by the leaves, not the stem, and water gently after transplanting. Before planting outdoors, harden off seedlings by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions over 1-2 weeks. Increase time and sunlight exposure daily. Soon, your young raspberries will be ready for the garden. When it's time to move your raspberry plants outdoors, wait until spring has fully arrived and all danger of frost has passed. Choose a spot in your garden that gets plenty of sunlight. Raspberries thrive best with at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun each day. The soil should be well drained and slightly acidic, ideally with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. Avoid low-lying areas where water tends to collect, as soggy roots can lead to disease and poor growth. If your garden soil is heavy or clay-like, work in plenty of organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure. This not only improves drainage but also boosts soil fertility, giving your raspberries the nutrients they need to get off to a strong start. Take time to break up large clumps and remove any rocks or debris. Dig planting holes that are just a bit larger than the pots your raspberries came in. Space each plant about 45 to 60 centimeters apart to give them room to grow and spread. Use a tape measure or garden marker to keep your rows straight and evenly spaced. If you're planting more than one row, leave 1.8 to 2.4 meters between each row. This extra space allows for good air circulation, which helps prevent disease, and makes it easier for you to walk between the rows for maintenance and harvesting. Carefully remove each raspberry plant from its pot. Gently loosen the roots with your fingers, especially if they're circling the root ball. This encourages the roots to spread out into the surrounding soil, helping the plant establish more quickly. Place the plant in the hole, so the top of the root ball is level with the surrounding soil. Fill in around the roots, pressing the soil down gently but firmly to eliminate air pockets. Once planted, water thoroughly to help settle the soil and give your raspberries a good start. Add a generous layer of mulch, about 5 to 7 centimeters, using straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves. Mulch helps suppress weeds, retain soil moisture, and regulate soil temperature, all of which are important for young raspberry plants. By keeping the roots cool and moist, mulch gives your raspberries the best chance to settle in and grow strong. Be sure to keep mulch a few centimeters away from the stems to prevent rot. Taking the time to prepare your raspberry patch properly, now, will reward you with healthy productive plants for years to come. A well-prepared bed is the foundation for a thriving raspberry harvest. With your raspberries now in the ground and your garden looking tidy, you're ready to move on to the next stage. Caring for your new plants as they grow. Regular watering, feeding, and pruning will keep your raspberry plants healthy and productive. In the next section, we'll show you exactly how to care for your new raspberry patch. Raspberries need consistent care, especially water, food, and pruning. Water deeply at the base, aiming for 2.5 cm per week. Drip irrigation or soaker hoses work best. Keep foliage dry to prevent disease. In early spring, feed with balanced organic fertilizer or compost. Avoid too much nitrogen. Focus on steady, balanced growth. Prune autumn fruiting types by cutting all canes to the ground after fruiting. For summer fruiting types, remove only the canes that have fruited. Simple routines keep your patch healthy and productive. Harvest is the reward for your patience. Expect a real crop by year 3. Berries ripen over weeks, so pick regularly for a long, fresh supply. Ripe raspberries are fully colored and come away with a gentle tug, leaving the core behind. Harvest in the morning after dew, dries for the best flavor and firmness. Use shallow containers to avoid crushing delicate fruit. Check plants every couple of days during peak season. Eat raspberries soon after picking, they're best fresh. For storage, refrigerate in a single layer and use within a day or two. Freeze extras by spreading on a tray, then bagging once solid. Enjoy your homegrown berries year-round. Now, a few final tips for raspberry success. Even without a garden, you can grow raspberries in large containers. Just choose compact varieties. Support canes with a simple post and wire trellis for tidy, healthy plants and easy harvesting. In hot climates, provide afternoon shade and maintain thick mulch to protect roots. For stubborn seeds, try cold stratification. Chill seeds in damp sand in the fridge for 1 to 3 months before sowing. Experiment with varieties and techniques. Gardening is about discovery. Small details make a big difference, and so observe and adapt as you go. Embrace the journey, not just the harvest. With patience and care, your raspberry patch will thrive. The rewards, fresh berries, homemade jam, and the joy of growing, are truly sweet. Happy gardening.